Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to export a high quality videos in InShot without a watermark. Let's keep your videos clean and professional. Let's get started. First, go to your InShot app, and once you're finished editing your video, tap the export button in the top right corner. And then here you can choose the resolutions. Go for 1080p or 4K and more for the high quality. And then, next, set the frame rate to 30 to 60 FPS depending on how smooth you want your video will be. And here are the key parts. If you're seeing a watermarks, it means that you're using a free version of InShot. In order to remove it, you can tap on the remove watermark text and you'll be given two options. Watch an ad for temporary removal or upgrade the InShot Pro for full access and no watermark on the future exports. Now, select and save and wait for the export to finish. Your high quality watermarks free video is now ready. And that's how you export your videos in top quality. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what editing tricks you want next. Thanks for watching.